Very easy, just 10-15 minutes. And I wanted to bring your attention. I used the soya chunks, the mini soya chunks, because somehow I like it. It absorbs the flavors better. I'm starting a hot pan with some oil. Hello, welcome to my uh, kitchen, Medha's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I am going to make soya chunks masala. Just starting, added 2 tablespoons oil. Today I decided to add sunflower oil, and I am adding 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds into that. I'm adding a very small onion. Into that I'm adding curry leaf, 1 sprig of curry leaf, and I'm adding ginger and garlic paste. This is 2 cloves of garlic and 1 inch piece of ginger I crushed in my grinder. With hand grinder. I think I need a little more oil. It's looking very dry, so I'm adding that. I soaked the soy chunks in water. This is 1.5 cup of soy chunks. I want to fry it a little bit before I added the spices into it. Soy chunks also is a very easy recipe. I'm doing it because it will absorb all the garlic, ginger garlic paste, onion flavor, and the curry leaf, and all the dry spices I put. Now I'm going to add, I reduce the heat little bit, adding turmeric, half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I will add salt if necessary later, but now I am adding only 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now our soy chunks got all the spices. I'm adding coriander powder, 2 heaped teaspoons. And then we will do some garam masala at the end, but not now. I am adding my tomato uh, gravy. Like this is fresh tomatoes I blended to make it into a tomato paste. So I'm adding that. It might be 1.5 uh, tomatoes because I used it for some other curries. So maybe it's 1.5 cup of tomato. I'm adding some water and cover it, cook it. Almost cooked. Going to add the green peas into it. And now I'm adding a little bit garam masala at the end. I'm not adding a lot, just maybe half a teaspoon. Okay, that's it. And into that, I am adding some kasuri methi. Yes, in kasuri methi, you have to always take it in your hands. It's very nutritious, so I'm just taking a handful of it, crush it, and then put it on top. Going to cover it and cook it for a few more minutes. I'm just adding a little bit oil on top just to bring that flavors together, and just cook it for another 2-3 minutes. Thank you for watching my video. This is my tasty soy chunk masala. Very easy, just 10-15 minutes. And I wanted to bring your attention. I used the soya chunks, the mini soya chunks, because somehow I like it. It absorbs the flavors better. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any suggestions, let me know. And please like and subscribe and share my video with your family and friends. We will see you in another interesting recipe like this.